Hey there, tech fans. Today I've got a brand new portable solid state drive from a company called Phixero. Now, I've worked with this company before and reviewed a few of their products, and they're on the leading edge of what storage technology can provide, and this product is a good example of that. Now, before I get too deep into what SSDs are all about and why this one is different, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing first, just to show you everything that's included with the product, and then I'll take a little bit of time and explain what this product can do for you and why it's different than other products. All right, so when you first pop open the box, you'll find the solid state drive. Now, they offer this in three different categories: 500 gigabytes, 1 terabyte, and a 2 terabyte version. So this is the 1 terabyte that I have here today. They also offer it in both black and white, so whatever color you like, you can pick. It's small enough to hang on your keychain, and it really replaces all of those thumb drives that you're using today, because 1 terabyte of space is a lot of space. You can combine 50 smaller thumb drives into a single unit like this. They also include a short cable, which is a USB-C to USB-A, but here's the cool part. This is actually an adapter that you can pull off, and it's got a USB-C underneath it. So this plugs into the SSD. The other end of this can plug into an open USB-C port or an open USB-A port on your computer. It'll instantly be recognized by your computer, and you can start moving files across to it, at a very high clip. Also included is a full instruction manual, which explains everything you need to know about this. It mostly shows you the specifications of how fast the data transfer can take place, but always read through that manual to make sure you get the best value out of the product. Now, one thing I do want to say about this is it's incredibly durable. A lot of these portable solid-state drives have a plastic case which is going to get cracked over time. This one actually has an aluminum exterior with plastic top and bottom, high-impact plastic top and bottom, but that means it's not going to get cracked if you throw it in your computer bag or your backpack. And again, 1 terabyte of space is a lot of capacity to store files. I use this with my laptop and can pretty much store everything I need on there, including the videos that I'm editing. Another big difference is the speed. Now, this is a USB 3.2 Gen 2, which means you can get up to 2 gigabytes a second into the unit and out of the unit. So it's incredibly fast as far as moving files over and moving files back off of it. I was blown away the first time I used a solid state drive, because I was used to carrying portable drives with me that were disk-based, and they did a good job. You could move a lot of data to them. You could move data off them really easy. They were reliable, but they were bigger. So when something small like this comes out, and I look at it and think, okay, it's a solid state drive. It's great that it's smaller, it's lighter, it's more portable, but how fast is it? It was incredibly fast. I could not believe how quickly I could move a large 4K video, an hour-long video, to the unit. It was a couple of seconds literally to move it over. So if you're moving a lot of files back and forth between your computer and maybe to some type of external drive like this for safekeeping, that's really quick. It's also fast enough to actually edit video content off of this unit using my Adobe. So if I'm editing video programs or I'm doing something where I'm tweaking maybe a clip, I can edit it right on the drive because it's fast enough through that connection. I really like the fact that they've included a heavy-duty USB-C to USB-C cable with this USB-A adapter, because that means I can put this in my computer bag and have everything I need to move those files back and forth and have that security that the unit is going to be around for a while. This also has a 1.5 meter drop protection, so it's small. I mean, you can hang on to it, but if you do drop it, 1.5 meters, it's got a lot of shockproof protection built into the unit. And that's pretty much it. There's not a lot I can say about a portable SSD drive. If you're new to SSDs, it's the latest form of storage technology. It doesn't rely on any moving parts. It's purely solid state. It's fast, it's portable, and it's lightweight, just like you can see here. So for me, I think Phixero has done a great job with this product to actually build a portable SSD drive that I can take with me anywhere and store most, if not all, of the files that I want to back up. So I hope that was helpful. Thanks an awful lot for watching, and until next time, as always, stay nerdy.